Hello everyone, meteorologist Mike here for your Synoptic CONUS forecast from July 11th to July 15th. And as always, before we get started, a couple of things I do need to go over. One, this is not a full and complete forecast. This is just an overview of large-scale events happening over the continental United States. For a full and complete forecast of your area, please see your local meteorologist or your favorite weather app. And secondly, all of my times are in Zulu time, or the GMT time zone. This is a standard across weather models, so we don't have to deal with time zones, and I am just continuing that trend. I will, however, have all the time zone conversions down in the description below. Alright, let's get started with what's happening right now. 12Z on the 11th, we've got high pressure in control of most of the east, we've got a high pressure in control of the west, and we've got a stalled front down in the south. From Georgia down to Texas, plenty in the way of precipitation involved with that front. And we've got a cold front up in the north from Michigan down into Nebraska. Plenty in the way of showers involved with that front as well. I do expect some of those showers to turn into thunderstorms later today, some of which will be severe as seen here by the SPC Day 1 Convective Outlook. A slight risk for severe weather in Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, and Illinois. Looking ahead to 0Z on the 12th, stalled front is still stalled to the south, and the cold front is now in Michigan down to Missouri. Still seeing plenty in the way of showers and thunderstorms along the front. 12Z on the 12th, cold front has moved ahead to New York down to Missouri. The stalled front has dissipated by this time, and we got a high pressure coming in behind this cold front. SPC Day 2 Convective Outlook, a slight risk for severe weather in Vermont, Massachusetts, Connecticut, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Maryland, and West Virginia. 0Z on the 13th, cold front is starting to make its way into the Atlantic, now stretching from Maine down to Missouri, still seeing plenty in the way of showers and thunderstorms, particularly along the northern side of the front. 12Z on the 13th, cold front now goes from Delaware down to Texas. Thunderstorms are taking a break at this time, but I will see them ramping up again by 0Z. SPC Day 3 Convective Outlook, only a marginal risk for the east. And 0Z here on the 14th, cold front now stretches from North Carolina off to Oklahoma. Showers and thunderstorms are scattered along the front, and we have a high pressure up in Michigan that's going to be building a nice ridge behind this front. 12Z on the 14th, cold front now stretches from North Carolina down to Louisiana. Plenty in the way of showers. 0Z on the 15th, cold front now in Georgia and the Florida Panhandle. Still seeing showers and thunderstorms along the front. High pressure has built a nice ridge down to Nebraska and Oklahoma. And we have a new low pressure starting to form off in Wyoming. 12Z on the 15th here. That cold front has made its way off into the Atlantic. High pressure is still very much in control of the east. And this low pressure does have some precipitation around the center of pressure. Alright guys, that's my synoptic forecast for today. Let's take a look into the Atlantic, because now this disturbance has moved it off of the CONUS into the Atlantic. It's going to be floating around the Gulf states for the next few days, particularly around Louisiana and Mississippi. It's going to be bringing plenty of precipitation along in there. And I have seen a couple of models start to develop it by the time it makes landfall. I will very much be keeping an eye on it. Right now it does only have a 30% chance of tropical storm formation within the next 5 days. Like I said, we are going to be keeping an eye on it. And to make sure that you're up to date with this storm, please like and subscribe for future forecasts. Thanks y'all for watching.